Where's the beef?
Where's the beef?
What? Where's the beef? Hi everyone, Sherry here. I just wanted to let you know that I am participating in a collaboration with Anna from Cooking the Books. Hi Anna. And Jim from Jim's Kitchen. Hi Jim. And what we're going to do is so much fun. Hashtag beefed up desserts. Beefed up desserts, you say? Just check it out. Today, I'll be making beefy popsicles, and I'll be leaving links down below for Cooking the Books and Jim's Kitchen, so you can go check them out after watching my video to see what beefed up desserts they made. So what all goes into the beefy popsicles? 1.5 cups beef bone broth. And this is really an interesting brand. It actually has basil, star anise, and cinnamon in it as well. So it'll give it a little bit more flavor than just beef flavor. 5 ounces of watermelon, 4 ounces of strawberry, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 1 teaspoon or less grated fresh ginger. Now the honey and the ginger are more or less to your taste. If you want more or less ginger, and the honey, if you want sweeter, use more honey. With the watermelon, I have a kitchen scale. I tared it to 0 so it does not weigh the bowl, and I put the watermelon in it. And it actually come up with 5.35 ounces. I figured a little bit more would be okay. Put that in. It's tared to 0, and we'll do the same thing for the 4 ounces of strawberries. I'm cutting the leaf off and cutting them in half. I think this is going to be a really fun collaboration. I mean, who puts beef in their desserts? Obviously, me and Jim and Anna do. And Dave is not going to know until after he tastes it. You know how I like to surprise him. Okay, and then I got 4.35 on that too. So at least they are consistent there. So take a blender and dump all your ingredients in the blender. It does call for a food processor or immersion blender, but I'm just going to be using my Ninja one. So in goes our 4 ounces of strawberries, our 5 ounces of the watermelon, and it calls for 1 tablespoon of honey. I put 1.5 tablespoons. Just get it a little bit sweeter. The 1 teaspoon or less grated fresh ginger, mine's a teaspoon, and the 1.5 cups of the beef bone broth. Put the lid on, turn the power on, and blend it till smooth. I just put some in a measuring cup, and we'll just pour that in there. So it made 9 popsicles. Stick them in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours. I'll be sticking mine in and keeping it overnight until Dave gets home tomorrow night so he can do a taste test. All right, everybody, so Dave is going to try the special popsicle. So go ahead.
Dave's wearing a silly hat.
Dave's wearing a cow hat.
A cow hat? Does that have something to do with the popsicle?
Kind of. What's it smell like?
It smells kind of watermelon-y.
Does have watermelon in it. Is it good?
Yeah, it's different.
If it's good, wave your ears. All right, so this is in collaboration with Anna from Cooking the Books and Jim from Jim's Kitchen. And the collaboration is hashtag beefedupdesserts. That has beef bone broth in it.
I don't think I would have guessed that. I get more watermelon than anything out of it.
It has watermelon, strawberries, ginger, and beef broth.
It's not my favorite popsicle I've ever had, but the watermelon is the strongest thing that I'm getting. But there's something else in there. I'm just not quite sure what. I'm guessing it's the beef broth. It's almost a little salty, but it's really different from anything I've ever had. But I think it's good. So I'm gonna give it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.